So this is the typography, colorful in Ideogram. So I use these prompts, so gradient colors. So I make this design like a funny design for English, maybe English teacher. So we're going to select one here, and we need to upscale because it's very small. So example, I will choose this one, maybe this one. This one. Save image. So we are now here in upscale.media/upload. So I signed in using my Google account. So okay, so right now 2 times, so you can select four times. Okay, it's better now. Okay, so we can download. We go to photopod.com, new project. We are going to follow Amazon merch by Amazon requirements for t-shirt sizes. So 300, background is black. Okay, create. So from here we are going to drag the image. It's on top of the background. Okay, so confirm, check, right click, rasterize, so we can remove the black background of this image. So from here we will select magic wand, this one, and tolerance 100, and uncheck this, so we can select all the black one time only. So from here just press anywhere in the black area of this design. Be sure to click this. So from here I will click in here, then press delete, or you can edit, clear, or delete. See, from here it removed the black. Deselect, Control D. So okay, it's clean now.
Perfect.
So from here click again here, then try to center the image. You will see the red guidelines. So it's good now. There, repeat. Okay, we will save this now as a PNG. So remove first the background, then file, export as PNG. Save this. Okay, so I search for a teacher looking model.
Oh my.
So this is the markup. Okay, so it's pretty good. Okay. Nice. Very colorful, vibrant. Okay, bye bye.